Hi guys, today it's a day where I'm going to tell you 5 tips for beginners on how to start your travel vlog channel here on YouTube in 2022. If you're interested, please watch this vlog until the end, because I bet that as soon as you will watch all this vlog, you will be able to smash on YouTube in 2022 and grow your audience here on this beautiful platform, and then also pursue your dreams to travel around the world. If you're new here and you've been not subscribed yet, my name is Francesco and I've been actually traveling around the world for the last 5 years. Right now I am in Bali. As you can see from the background, I'm staying in a very beautiful rice field just next to my house, and I've been actually sharing my journey here on YouTube for over a year. But a few months ago I decided to take this challenge very serious, and I decided to post every week a new vlog. And guys, I've been smashing on this YouTube channel. I actually grow my audience over almost 2,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy that I did all this. But I wish I would knew about these 5 tips before to actually start my YouTube channel, and that's why I bet you would really love to hear about this. So please keep watching this vlog, and if you didn't yet subscribe, please smash that subscribe button and let's get lost. So let's start with tip number 1. You don't need to travel to start your travel vlog channel. Actually, I'm staying just 5 minutes far from my home, and I am in a very beautiful rice field, and as you can see, you can actually vlog about it without traveling so far. I wish I would know about this before to start traveling around the world. When I started this journey, I actually spent so much money to book my ticket and fly over Southeast Asia. I wish I would know that I can actually start my travel channel just from home while I was working in an office 9 to 5, and in my spare time during the weekend I could literally start to vlog about London. I was living in London, so I was living actually in a very beautiful city, and there's so much to vlog about London in general. So yes guys, if you are actually thinking that you need to travel around the world in order to start your travel vlog channel, no, that's wrong. You don't need that. You can actually start to vlog about anything just around your city. If you're not living in London, you're living in a small town, I bet that there's still something that you can actually vlog about. For example, I actually did a vlog at my home where I was trying for the first time Indonesian food. I didn't move from my home, I just ordered food over, and that vlog actually got over 95,000 views. You can check it out on top here. And so I'm just here to saying that you don't need actually to travel around the world to start your travel vlog channel. So as you can see, you don't need to actually travel around the world to start your travel vlog channel in 2022. But now let's jump on the tip number 2, which is actually create quality content. Why we need to create quality content? Simply because people enjoy to watch very cinematic vlog, but also they actually enjoy to watch daily vlog. But it's on you the choice to create quality content, and it's on you the choice on how to do that. You can create a very beautiful vlog every week, or you can actually create a daily vlog which has everything in it, but still producing a quality content is a key for starting a travel vlog in 2022. So tip number 3, to start your travel channel in 2022, you definitely need to save money. Now I'm staying in New Zealand. No, I'm kidding. I'm still in Bali. I'm still around the corner of my house. There's just like a bunch of cows behind me. But this is a very important thing, to save money in order to buy expensive equipment, or just like improve, for example, your phone, just buy a new version, or buy a vlog camera, or buy a DSLR. Definitely that is going to look way better if you are using for example a DSLR or a vlog camera. And we are at tip number 4. We need to use the right title and the right keywords in order to actually start our travel channel. because this will allow you to grow a very powerful audience on YouTube and also in many other different platforms. How to do that? Today I'm going actually to share with you one top secret of every YouTuber. I'm using actually a tool which is called TubeBuddy, and this helped me to find the right title, the right keywords to use for my YouTube channel. If we have a quick look on how it looks like, it's basically you just have to insert your keywords into this Chrome extension, and then it will come up with a result which will be good or bad or excellent, and it will tell you also why you get this result for that keywords. And then around that keywords you're gonna build up your own title, making sure that it's very appealing and very high catchy, and then you're gonna create a very eye-catching thumbnail, because this is very important for you to get very good click-through rate on your video, and this will help you to actually grow your audience very fast. I probably earn over 1,000 followers just with one video on YouTube, for example, a few months ago. And now we are almost at the end of this video, and I'm going to share with you the last tip for you to start a travel channel in 2022, and that's simply be consistent. Be consistent in posting on any type of social media platforms. It doesn't work only for YouTube, it works for any type of social media platform, so Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever you fancy to use. But in this particular case, YouTube algorithm will actually reward you if you post every week at the same time, at the same day, because it's simply like keeping the audience engaged, and also YouTube reward the people that are actually spending a lot of time on the platform. And in this case, if you are one of them, you'll definitely be rewarded with tons of views, and this is going to help you to start your travel channel and to gain subscribers, views, and of course to also start to earn money from YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that every tip I've been providing you in this video will help you to start your travel channel, and I hope you're gonna have tons of subscribers in no matter time, and I'll see you at the next video. But before to say you goodbye, please smash the subscribe button if you really enjoy it, and if you have any question, there is a comment bar below, so I will be answering all your questions there, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I'll see you at the next video. Ciao.